Hello, nerds of all shapes, sizes. Welcome back to yet another live stream. Ladies and gentlemen, let me, hold on, let me, ladies and gentlemen, hello. Hi, I'm the Story Nerd, as always, and today, it's day two of the Gmtk Game Jam 2024. So, I have a little bit of a to-do list that we can just like crank out of the way on stream. Let me move the light a little closer, a bit more illuminated. There we go. My setup is not perfected, as you can probably tell. Turn that a little bit more. Hello. Yes. Okay. I think we're all set up. I know we had, last stream we had a lot of stream problems because it wasn't showing up properly. I fixed it, and I got a little bit of work done on the game. So I'm going to show that. Give me 15 years for the game to compile that. Okay. Give it a sec. Whenever it's ready. Let's see. Whenever it's ready, it's taking a second to build. That's fine. Perfectly normal. Whenever you're ready. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Okay, check it out. So you got this like little mass of ooze, if you will, that goes to wherever the mouse is, right? And you have a little bit of a dash, you know what I'm saying? A little dash activity, right? And then also, like, every time you dash, you shrink a little bit, but the goal is to get bigger. And that's something we're going to be working on today. But right now, for testing purposes, if you want to get bigger, you just press plus a bunch of times. You can see you're getting bigger and bigger. See that, guys? Look at that. Check that out. Isn't that cool? Now you're just really big. Oh, this is causing the stream to lag so much. I didn't realize that. Gosh, dang, bro. Jeez, turned into a slideshow. I assure you that is just that is all just my PC being my PC. The game runs pretty well, I promise. The game runs pretty well. I swear. But anyway, let's get into what we're going to be doing today. Once the stream stops lagging because of that game. That was crazy. That was kind of wild. Okay, but let me pull up my to-do list. I have it right here. Okay, our goal, make heating zones because this bacteria thrives on hot water, right? And then we want to make a stealth system. More about that later. We want to make a human hand threat, right? And then we want to plan out the level. And then after stream, I'm going to figure out a camera system. I might do some of that in stream, but excuse me, it's probably just going to be a lot of me like reading documentation and watching tutorials, which I don't think would be that interesting for a stream. So I'll probably just do the off stream. If we have time for it, we'll do it off stream though. Who cares, you know? So yeah, let's hop into those heating zones. This is going to be pretty simple. I already have a pretty good idea of how I want it. So we're going to say S heating. That's it. Pretty much in it, yeah. We're going to hop in here. 16. Yep. We're going to make it bright red. Yep. And that's it, isn't it? Yeah. That's the heating zone. We don't need to, because the thing is, you're not actually going to see this, right? This is going to be like an overlay at best. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we can just, I'm going to turn on the opacity of it just a bit, because like I said, it's going to be an overlay. So we want to be able to see while we're making the levels. Then we're going to hop into the room. Actually, psych, I lied. We're going to hop into the object. We're going to make an object, right? Call it heating. Yes, sir. And make that the sprite. And that's it. That's all we need to do with that. We don't need to do anything else with that. Hop into the room, right? We hop into here. I'm going to make a layer, an instance layer for heating. Gonna put that above the mass, right? And just for testing purposes, I'm just gonna make a pretty big one, right? And eventually we'll make this invisible, but right now we're gonna leave it visible, again, for testing purposes. And I'm gonna hop into the mass. I'm gonna hop into the step. It doesn't matter what state they're in. If we are in heating zone, if place meeting X, Y, O heating, then we want G size, maybe just a plus plus. I don't know how quickly I want you to grow and scale. Because this is going to add it every frame, so we're going to grow pretty quickly, if I'm not mistaken. Gosh dang. My apologies. We're going to see how that goes. Let's see. Uh-oh, kind of weird. That's weird. Why are they doing that? It's growing it slowly, but why are they dashing out afterwards? It's so weird. Why are they doing that? It's still doing that. Why are they doing that? That's so weird. Okay, but it is growing, and that's the part that really matters. You know what I'm saying? But why is it moving? That's the only thing I'm a little confuzzled by. G size plus plus. Why are they doing that? Is it because of this? Is it because we're scaling it with the G size? Maybe? Maybe that's it? Hmm. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to programming. This is how it usually goes. This is how it usually goes. Let's see. If place meeting. Oh, heating. G size. Well, I mean, okay, so if we look down here, we see we're lerping, but we're not basing on G size. So I think that's what we need to do. So we need to say times G size. It's probably going to have to be divided by something, but right now we're just going to see how it is with G size. Actually, I'm gonna hop in and be like divided by 10. We're gonna say that. See how that looks. That should bring us something. Probably could have said divided by 50. I feel like that probably would have worked a lot better because I just logically. Because now it's gonna be. I mean, it's okay. I guess. Yeah. Let's just do it by 50. See where that drops us off at. My gosh. Great googly moogly. Let's see how this is. Okay. Okay. I'm so sorry. I know every time we test this game, it causes the stream to lag so much. I wonder if I could just I could probably disable particle effects, to be honest. Let me see if I can do that. I'll go into O game. I'll make a setting for that in O game. Particles equals false. If particles equals false, we're gonna hop into the mass. This should hopefully help performance on the stream, even though it's not gonna show the actual game. Okay. Let me see. If O game dot particles equals true. That's the only time we do this. And we're just gonna copy and paste that exact thing and put it up here where else we're making this stuff, the particles. There. Alrighty. I'm just gonna hop in here. Why not? Because particles doesn't equal true, so therefore no secondary mass would ever even exist. We're also just gonna pop that right in there. Uh-oh, wrong thing. I did not pop the right thing in there. Okay, I need to pop this in here. Because again, it doesn't exist if particle does not equal true. I think that's all the ones I need to worry about. So now it should run better on stream, at very least. I can just disable that for if I'm testing for the visuals. Because those particles are just more visual than anything else. Doesn't this game look so good, guys? Why are they doing that? Oh, you know what? Because it's trying to stay close to the mouse, so then it. Oh, I got you. Okay, so what I need to do, right? Well, I'll do this. I'll hop in here. If key move and right, if distance to what the point, I think. I want to say what mouse underscore x mouse underscore y is more than say 10. Let's go wild. Let's just say 10. Let's see where that puts us. Oh, why did I put another if statement? I don't need that. We're already checking if. Let's see what that leaves us. That should help mitigate the problem. Stop a bit of degenerating. I feel like that just increased degenerating. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Hmm. Oh, we're not even scaling it properly here. That also might be the problem. So I definitely want to just copy and paste this in here. Numbers and letters, terrifying noises. This is, this is just, it's my passion, dude. What can I say, dude? You know what I'm saying? It's great. It's fun. It's very fun. Once you understand it, which I barely do. Let's see. Okay, that's about the same. But if I now hop in here and make the deceleration a little faster, I'm doubling it, technically speaking. If I hop in here and do a little bit of that, and do a little something like this, come on. Anyway, the jittering's still pretty bad. Okay, so I think what I want to do, I'm gonna, instead of having this connected here, if key move, then I'm gonna say if the distance is more than that, then we want to move normally. But if it's not, we just want to bring him right to the mouse, right? And we're just gonna cancel out all the HSP and VSP if we're doing the move thing, which should work pretty good. Else, let's see. HSP equals 0, VSP equals 0, X equals mouse underscore X, Y equals mouse underscore Y. There we go. My gosh. My apologies. This should work pretty fine. I hope the game's not calling it to lag more. Because that would be kind of frustrating. Oh, that's way nicer. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, dude. Why are they getting smaller? Is that just me? Why are they getting lighter and lighter? Oh, I'm dumb because I didn't. It's cycling through stuff. Yeah, I probably should handle that. Let me see. Image speed equals 0. Image index. Actually, I kind of like that. I'm not gonna do anything to that. I'm not gonna do a thing to that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so yeah, I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. What else? So yeah, we have the heating zone. Heating zone works. I think I actually do want to turn the heating zone up a little bit. It feels kind of slow. It feels just a little slow. So we're gonna change that to plus equals 3, and see what that leads us. Because we don't want to go too small. Like we want it to be a challenge. We want you to go into those hot zones a few times, but we don't want it to be too strong or too weak. Yeah, that feels good. I think we need to make it somewhat so like once you're big enough, you start getting diminishing. No, I mean you're only adding 3, so once you do get big enough, you will get diminishing returns because it's not gonna scale up. Okay, yeah, never mind. We're good. We're good there. So yeah, I feel like 3, maybe 2. Let's see how we feel about. Nah. I'm just gonna leave it there. We can change it later. We can change it in the future. Okay, so that's one thing off the to-do list. Heating zones are done. I don't know how to change the. I don't know how to change it if I want to strike through it, which would be cool. But we're just gonna say Done. Okay, next. Stealth system. Excuse me. And we're pretty much just going to do the exact same thing. We're going to hit it S. S what? S hide. And we're just going to change the color of this block to color green. Yeah, we'll say that. Exact same thing. What are you doing? Duplicate. Oh, hide. Change the thingamabob to the other thingamabob. Boom, we're done. Okay, now this hiding doesn't do anything yet, right? Because what are we hiding from? What are we hiding from? That's something. That's another feature we're gonna be making today. Let me see. I'm gonna make a separate layer for hide. Oh my gosh, bro. Let me get some water, dude. Clearly I need it. Some water. There we go, boys. We're so locked in. Okay. I'm gonna drop this hide thing off. Now we're gonna have to be a bit more specific with the hide thing because we want to make sure that we're inside the hide and not poking out of the hide. How do we do that? You tell me. Okay. First, we want to hop over to OGame, right? OGame aware equals 0. How aware the human is of what is that? I'm indoctrinated to the Florida State cult. I gotcha. I just received a Florida State shirt. I'm part of Florida State. As we all know, go Knowles, boys. Am I right, guys? Let's go. Go Knowles. Knowles for days. Anyway, let me focus back in. Aware. Okay, so you're trying to see how aware the human is of the player. Wait. Come here. Alright. I got another one. They're all mine now. Okay. Let's focus. How aware the human is of the germs, right? And every time, I think as long as you're out of cover, what system do I want to make? Yeah, let's make it like that for now. Okay, so every time you're out of cover, that aware number starts to go up. So, how are we going to check that? Well, we're going to hop into, I want to say mass. I'm going to hop into the mass, right? How do we check if we're inside of it? Okay, no, that's easy. That's easy, actually. So, what we're going to do, we're going to see, right? Checking if we're hiding properly. If place meeting X, Y, hide, right? Now we're gonna have to change something around a little bit. Plus G size divided by 2, right? Now you may be wondering, what is that gonna do? What is that there for? What is that there for? Well, if you know anything, if you're not a dumb nut, no, I'm joking. But so basically, what that's doing. Originally, all we would have to do would be like, okay, let's see, like 8. If we're meeting that place 8 pixels away, which is like half of the size. It's like, okay, let me pull it up. Let me try to explain this. Okay, this is math. It's quick math. Okay, so our the size of our dude, right? Is like 4 pixels in each direction, right? So all we're doing, normally it would just go from the origin to center. Just going to the center, because that's where the origin point is, right? That's dope. I know, bro. It's cool. It's Seminoles. But so, okay, basically what we're doing. So our size is 4, right? And when you do the place meeting, you're seeing like, okay, is there a collision between these two objects happening at their point, with their what do you call it? Their collision, right? Their collision thing, right? I think I just goofed up. I don't think I have to do that. I'm overcomplicating things. I was about to explain how I was so gigabrain. I'm overcomplicating it. Oh my gosh. Now I feel dumb. Never mind, dude. We're just gonna do all we're gonna do, we're just gonna say, okay, um is there a hiding spot uh at least 1 pixel away from all directions? That's all we're saying here. Originally I thought you had to do it based off the origin point, but then I remembered you don't. So yeah, I'm a little dumb. I'm a little goofy. I'm a little silly. So if you're in that hiding spot, then aware, I have to say, oh, game dot aware minus equals 5. It should drop pretty fast. Let's be real, because we wanted to encourage the player to go out there and try stuff rather than having to wait 15 years for it to oh, game dot aware plus, we're just saying plus plus. If you're out of thing, we wouldn't want it to build up too quickly, right? We could make it the bigger you are, the faster it builds, but I'm not. We'll play test that stuff out, see if we want it. Collision, I didn't know there was a driving test side, bro. Bro. Collision is how everything works. Please. Let me see. Okay, so now what we can do, since we have this, we already have to make the UI at one point. We're not gonna focus on the UI today, I don't think, but we can go ahead and add something for the UI in. Okay. Draw, set, color. Oh, I did not do that right. My apologies. Draw, set, color, C underscore white. Oh, why are they doing it in the middle? What about the underscore white? Okay, draw, set. What else do I need to do? Font. I don't have a font. We need to make a font really quickly. We're just gonna say F testing. This is not gonna be the final font. I'm just gonna pick a random font, dude. Who cares? Arial, great. Under the sea. Why are they frozen? Uh-oh. There we go. We're back. Okay. I'm in the wrong object, though. Go scroll. No. Scrolling's gonna take too long. Okay, go back to O game. Here we go. Okay, set the font to F testing, right? Draw, set, V align, which is, I believe it's FA. I guess the one on the top left, right? Yeah, we'll put it in the top left. So the V align would be top. Vertical. This is just vertical align. Whatever. It looks like this is just like saving the origin point in the text, right? If we want it at the top, then it's gonna write the text from that top point. If we want it bottom, it's gonna write text upwards. If we want it in the middle, it's gonna write text like outward from that. That makes sense. I feel like that makes sense. I hope so. H align is like the same thing, but that's obviously from left to right or middle. But we want it in the left. I didn't spell that right. My bad. Alright. Now we just want to actually draw text, which we're gonna draw it at 3, 3. That's like top corner, top left corner. 3, 3, and then we want the string to be aware. This is just a test. Make sure that it's working all good. So let's hop in here. I probably should have put a cap on aware, but whatever. We'll do that later. Oh, it's very small. You cannot see that. Okay. We're going to up the font a good bit. Probably like 48 should be good, I'm thinking. Oh, I don't have the number lock. 48. Right. Now we can try. And now we should be able to see fine. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Please. Please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Okay, now you can see it. So now it's going down. Oh, that dropped really quickly. Okay, we're definitely going to want to tweak those values. But now I want to see something. Oh, wait, come back. If we get too big, can we still hide? We can, which is not something I want to happen. So something is going wrong, and we might actually have to do the size thing that I was originally going to do. Because I don't know. Why is it not working? Is it because of... Is our collision mask? No, that should be fine. I don't know why that's not working. Am I checking it right? I believe so. Oh, I think it is based off origin point. So we do actually have to do the complicated thing I was talking about. Okay, so what we need to do, g size divided by 2, right? I think this is right. And if it's not, we will find out. But I will explain what that does. So basically what we're doing, right? G size is the size of our mass. You know, that's the main thing we're looking at. So so what we're doing here, we're seeing if the place meeting, that's like if it will basically, okay. I'm bad at explaining stuff. Place meeting basically shoots a ray out from the object you're calling it inside, and checks to see if it's colliding with anything else. And if normally you just do place meeting x, y, whatever object, right? It has to check like, okay, is this exact object meeting this thing? But if you mess around with the x and y, you can actually look ahead, behind, all around you, right? So right now we're checking place meaning x plus g size divided by 2. So what we're checking is like from that x point, if you add our size divided in half, because the size would be the whole circle, we only want half the circle because we're only going in that direction, right? So if we're at somewhere when we add that extra length on it, then only then will it actually return something. If it doesn't do that, then it doesn't do that. So we're saying if place is meeting this direction, this direction, this direction, this direction, then we are inside and the where goes down. If we're not, then the where goes up. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put here. Actually, I'm gonna put it in the O game. I'm gonna say go to it. Probably put it in the step event. If aware more than 100, aware equal 100. If aware less than 0, aware equals 0. There we go. That just keeps the numbers in check a little bit more, and we'll time around with how quickly it grows and stuff later. But I just want to make sure that this is actually working. Why did they go to -5? It's so weird. Okay, now let's see what happens if we get bigger. It's not working. I think maybe because G size is technically too big. I wonder if it did it. Okay, now it's starting to work, right? So yeah, I think G size is just too big. So what we need to do, okay, we have to somehow convert the G size into the actual pixel size. Because right now G size is 50. So how are we finding? Okay, so image x scale equals G size divided by 10. So let's divide it by 10, maybe, and see what that gets us. That might do the trick. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see what happens. Let's see. Okay. I'm saying to the chance, boys. Okay, that's working. How big do we have to get for it to start? You just have to get really big, kid. Jeez. I think this is worse than what we had before. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I think that's worse than what we had before. Okay. Okay, we have to figure out a new solution. Okay, so if okay, I'm gonna undo all that good stuff, right? Turn it back to the plus ones, right? So what happened when we were +1? Because I don't know if we even went the right route with solving that problem. I want to look at it from all the different angles. Put some random values in there, right? So if we hop back over here, so that's checking if we're colliding at all with it on any side. Hmm. But how can we check, like, if... Oh, B-Box. I'm using the wrong thing. That's why, dude. What am I doing? I'm being dumb. That's what I'm doing. All I have to do is check the B-Box. Okay, so what we can do, if place meeting, um, what, how do we even check this? Yeah, B-Box left and B-Box top. I think we can do it like this. We're gonna try hide. Oh, hide. And place meeting B box right and B box bottom. Oh, hide. This might do the trick. I'm saying to the chance. If not, there's another way we can do it with B box. But I think this might be the easier way. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay. I mean, I guess it's halfway working. It's a bit forgiving, a bit more forgiving than I would have hoped, but it's the closest we've gotten. Oh no! Okay, I think I know. I know exactly what we need to do to fix that. Literally, all we need to do, because we're checking for both of these and each of these. So so that's why, like, if this is true, this will come true if we're only touching the left. The box top can be out, but as long as we're touching the left one, it still counts, right? That's why it's doing that. Okay. So all we need to do is turn this to Y, turn this to Y, copy, paste, paste. Turn this to X, right? Turn this to X. What if they B box top? Yep, and B box bottom. Yeah, that's it. Now this should work perfectly fine. Guys, we may have cooked a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh, my limbs. Maybe we didn't cook. It's the same exact problem. This isn't too much of a problem. Like, I'm fine with leaving it like this, but I still wanna kinda wanna solve it. Bottom. If all of these are true, that's the only time we're actually hiding. So if B box left, if the left collision side is touching it, and the top, how thick is the collision side though? How thick does it count? Hmm. Maybe if I did add a +1 to each of them, that might help it. I wonder. Let's see. I'm just spitballing. A lot of programming, a lot of people don't understand. A lot of programming is just you throwing stuff at a wall, seeing what sticks. Let's see if that sticks. Okay. But the same thing, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, I think we just leave it like this for now. An equation is still an equation if left unsolved. Yeah, yeah, you're right. You're right. True words have never been spoken. Yeah, honestly, I think we just leave it like that. To be honest, I'm gonna turn down the awareness, and then I'm gonna say awareness plus equals not 0.2, right? And then real quick, I'm just gonna hop into this, and I'm gonna say the string it does is gonna be rounded, because we don't want to show decimal points. Because decimal points look ugly. Yes, sir. Okay, now let's see. It's going up, dude. You know what I'm saying? Okay, it went up pretty quickly. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna play around with the values a little bit more though, because we don't actually want. It's going a little too slow on the build up. Is what I'm getting at. I think I'm just gonna change it to one, isn't it? Yeah. Nah, not maybe not one, maybe not 0.5. We'll call it a day with that, and then we'll come back to test that more later. I do want to test something real quick though that I forgot to test because we might not be done with the B boxes and stuff. Because if we get too big, the main reason I wanted that feature in the first place, because if we get too big, I wanted to not be able to hide behind it anymore. Okay. Looks like we're still able to hide behind it, which is not exactly what I wanted. So, yeah, we're not done with that one. That's a little. I mean, at the end of the day, what we can do, we can just make it. No, because I don't want. It's tough, dude. It's tough. Take it behind it properly. How else can we do it? There's another function. If maybe there's like a within thing, like an inside function. No. Hmm. I don't know. You can't do instance nearest. That wouldn't make a lot of sense. Instance place would grab the ID. Oh, that's what we can do. Okay, wait. Okay, here's the thing. Here's the thing. So right now we're checking our B box to see if it's colliding. But what if we check the B box of the hiding spot and see if we are placed meeting that, but we are not colliding with the outside collision, then we have to be inside, right? Okay, if. How do we do that? Okay, no, so all we need to do, if place meaning, oh, why all that jazz, then we can, we can what? Oh, okay, no, and, right, instance nearest, oh, hide, right? Um, looks like a black hole. Kind of what it is. It's just so it's oh my gosh, I can't speak English. It's supposed to be like this germ, right? This germy germ that's gradually just like growing in this bathroom, right? It's very gross, very disgusting. It's gonna be a very cool game. Trust me, trust me. So we're outside the black hole when we're supposed to be inside. No, so I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so we are basically right. Let me open the game back up. We are basically the germ, right? We're the germ. We're a germy germ that's growing. You know what I'm saying? And like the camera doesn't really signify that because it's a very close camera. It's gonna zoom out eventually, right? It's getting annoying, isn't it? I wonder how we do this. Anyway, so okay, we're the germ, right? Let me kind of showcase it. We're like bacteria, algae, if you will. More bacteria, not really algae. Wait, but yeah, we're this bacteria, right? Which you can't see all the bacteria popping off of you because, again, I had to turn off particle effects because it would lag the stream very, very badly. But you're just bacteria. Oh, where'd it go? That's kind of weird. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that later. Anyway, point is, you're trying to grow. So you go do these like hotspots that help you grow. Because you're a bacteria that grows through hotspots. Well, then you also have to hide every now and then. You know what I'm saying? Okay, honestly, I'm sick and tired of this hide, so what I'll probably do, I'll just make the hide smaller than the actual hiding spot is, and do it that way. And then we don't have to worry about that, because I'm wasting too much time on it. Anyway, Yeah, so you're just like germ. You're just like germ, right? How's that gonna work though? Could it still be how do I be colliding with it? Well, no, not necessarily. Now, if we turn it back to what it was, which was like the box stuff. Okay, I'll just do that, and then I'll just make it smaller. Anyway, so you're the germ. Oh my gosh, you're supposed to be trying your best to grow bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, right? Until you can control all the bathroom. That's pretty much it. That's the plot. I don't know why it took me so long to get that out. I just wanted to yap, I guess, bro. I was just yapping, dude. Okay, let's go ahead and return it to the B box. Okay, hide. Yeah, bop bop. Then we want B box left, B box right. Yep, B box top, and oh, wrong thing. B box bottom, rim bottom. Would that despicable me? Okay, let's see. This should revert it back to what we had. It was okay. It was aight. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. So now, like half of it being inside. That works. That works for me. That works for me. So we need more hotspots to become germ overlord. Pretty much, yeah. Pretty much. You're trying to be a big boy. Big boy. And if we have time, I would like to add like different abilities that you can unlock via getting bigger. Like the bigger you are, the more ability you unlock. But I don't want to add too much, and then we won't be able to finish it because we only have until Tuesday at 1. Which I needed to tell my sister because I thought we only had till Monday, but we have till Tuesday, and I'm sure she would probably be relieved. Okay, so now we have that. We have that system all sorted out. You know what I'm saying? We have the stealth system done. But what are we stealthing from? They're the human hand thread. They're the human in the bathroom trying to clean it up. You know what I'm saying? So before we do that, I probably should have done a camera system. But all I'm gonna do, again, we're just testing, guys. We're just testing. I'm just gonna. Actually, I don't need to make it bigger. I just need to make the G size, the starting G size, smaller. I'm just gonna make the G size 10. And we'll be able to see it a lot better. I. We're such a tiny little guy. I want to be a little bigger. See that dash? But our dash is pitiful, dude. Should probably fix it. Gotta make it times 4. There we go. This is the fun. This is the joys of game development. Yay! The dash is too strong. Um. Oh, okay. I see. I think what I need to do. So what I need to do, not point, not 1, right? That should lower the dash down, but then it will be stronger the bigger we are. That's what I'm trying to. That's the effect I'm trying to go for, which I might be going about it the wrong way. Hopefully, I'm not. I probably am. Let's be real. Yeah, that's never coming back. That's never coming back. I don't know, dude. What do I do with this one? How do I make it to not do that? Honestly, all I need to do. No, I'm not gonna do that. Biscuits, bro. I don't know. How do I do it? How do I scale it off of the size to make it so the bigger you are, the faster you go? I don't know. Hmm. Okay, I'm just gonna change that back to point one. We're gonna change that to like what? One. Yeah. Just gonna do that right now. And then we'll fix that later. Okay, now you're a little too slow. A little too slow. I'm gonna raise that up to a 2. And why is this smaller? Raise it up to a 6. That's how we had it earlier when we first started yesterday. I might have done that off stream. I don't remember. I think I did that off stream. Now I'm thinking about it. Uh oh. Why are we never leaving the dash state? That's weird. It's taking way too long to leave the dash state. Why? Play dash. Oh, I think that's why. It's gonna take that off, decrease it by not 0.1. Not 0.1. We're gonna have to set all the scaling up later. I don't feel like doing it right now, I'm not gonna lie. That's way more fine-tuning. Okay, we're gonna hop in here to grow a little bit. Oh, now we're really slow though. See, that's why we need scaling. Gosh dang it, bro. This scale is gonna make me crash out. Okay, so we want to say times, right? G size, we're gonna do it a little differently. G size minus 10, right? So we have the base one, and then we can just get that going. We're gonna do the exact same thing there. Because G size is our starting, 10 is the starting. So where is the human that the germ needs to affect, or the human something to avoid because it's immortal? So the human is something to avoid, at very least at first. The human's gonna be a main threat that's gonna kill you until you get big enough. Once you get big enough, then you can take on the human. But if you're not big enough, then good luck. Why are we not moving? Okay, now it equals 0. I'm dumb. What if I say plus? How about that, huh? How about that, huh? Now what? So what I'm gonna do after I figure out this scaling stuff, there's gonna be like a giant hand with like a wipe's gonna be trying to get you. That's why we have the stealth system. So like the longer you're out, once this reaches like maybe 100, might make it lower than 100, the hand's gonna start trying to find you. If that makes sense. Scaling is really small though. Ugh. I'm gonna hop in here, right? I'm gonna multiply that times 2. No, actually, no, I don't want to do that there. I want to do that out here times 2. Right? Yeah, because then that'll cancel that out. Yes. Yes. Great. You kill the human in the end. Assuming you win, at least. It's still really small, no? I'll multiply by 10. See where that goes. Hopefully that will bump this move speed up a good bit. Okay. It's not doing what I wanted it to. I feel like we're going very, very slow. Oh, so it's like one of those IO games where like those are got to be bigger in order to eat other components. Pretty much, pretty much. It's kind of rare. I could have just said that to get the idea across. I probably should have. But alas, here we are. Let me see if I can just do it by G size. We'll see then. We'll see then. Come on, please, just fix it, please. I just want you to move faster the bigger you are, so it looks like you're maintaining the same speed. We're still getting slower, bro. Oh. Where did he go? Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good at all. Hmm. Gee, Willikers, bro. Well, how to set? We had better movement before I changed it, bro. It wasn't perfect, but it was good. Just undo all of that. Oh, what did I just undo at the top? Let me see. You can't see it on stream. Biscuits. Ooh, my phone fell over. Let's see. That's embarrassing. And the stream's lagging again. Gosh dang it. You know, I'll move me down here. How about that? There we go. There we go. I'm down here at the bottom. I'm hanging out. Honestly, we can move the. No, I don't want the chat to be right there. We can chat right here. They're helping me out. We're a team like that. No big, no big. Yo, live stream editing. Let's go. Let's see. If you need more speed, then wouldn't you put velocity times 10 max ultra? See, but we don't want so like the speed when we're small is good. I want it to get faster the bigger you get. Because the when you get bigger, if you stay the same speed, it looks like you're going really, really slow. So we need to scale exponentially with the size, which I know it's probably a really, really simple fix, and I'm just very, very dumb. I don't know why I did. There we go. We got a chat right here. Let's go, boys. Let's go, gamers. Okay, anyway. Back to it, back to it, back to it, back to it. I don't know why, dude. I don't know why. So okay, let's see this speed right now. Because I think this is the closest we've ever gotten to good speed. So you see this, dude? This one's chilling. And then if I make it bigger, it's not perfect, but it's kind of good. It's a little faster. I want it to scale a little better though. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna, I'm gonna just add, make these numbers like kind of crazy. Yeah. Also, before I do anything else, let me not forget. I need to hop into the. This is the mass object. I'm dumb. That's what I did. Yeah, I said image speed equals 0. Image index equals 0. There we go. Now let's see how this is. Let's see how this one right here is. Another slap. See, now we're just really fast. I don't want to be this fast at this speed. You know what I'm saying? But if we make it bigger, how big can we go? Okay, that's too much, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut it in half. Literally just going to cut it in half. And see if that's good. This should be closer. Maybe. I'm saying there's a chance. I just want to be done with this. I don't want to be messing with this speed no more. We take those. Honestly, we take those. That's close enough. That's close enough. Whatever. Where did he go, bro? He spazzes out sometimes. Okay, that's close enough. Whatever. What was the to-do list? What was I working on before I started doing the size thing? Human hand threat. That's what we're doing. Okay, let me make a mock-up of a hand. S hand. And we have to make this one pretty big. But that's how we normally work IRL, because the bigger you are, the slower you get. The smaller you are, the faster you get, unless you're a wrecking ball rolling down the mountain. Exactly. Well, but like, okay, we don't want. So, yes and no. For this game, We want you to have a consistent speed, but you still are going to get slower because, of course, with that size thing. However, comma, it looks like you get way too slow if we don't scale it proportionally to the size. Because if you move 5 pixels every frame, right? But then you scale up, you're bigger, so your size might be 50 pixels, and you're only moving 5 pixels. That's way smaller than back when you were 10 pixels, right? And I don't want it to be that slow, so I want to scale it somewhat proportionally to the size of the player, right? And of course, it'll still be a little slower, but I want to keep it a little closer to speed. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, you're not. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty hard later on in the game because you're going to be running away from the hand a lot. So I want it to be a bit better than that. Also, being slow usually isn't fun in games like this. Usually, there's games that do it pretty well, but like for this game, I can't see it being very fun if you're very slow. Anyways, 256. We're gonna make it that size. Probably gonna have to make it bigger, but whatever. I'm gonna draw a very poor hand. First, I'm gonna make a napkin because we're gonna have a napkin in our hands. Actually, I'm gonna make the hand first. Hand. And you know, I'm gonna say womp. Look at that thumb, dude. Look at that thumb, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's a reason why I'm not the artist for this game. In case you couldn't tell. Actually, it isn't that bad. I'm not gonna lie. Anyone who says this is bad is just a hater. Praying on my downfall, for real, for real. Yeah, that's a good looking hand. If I saw that hand, I'd give it a little kiss. You know what I'm saying? Give it a little on the. Okay, let's color this in a little bit, innit? Um, something like that. Oops. Wait, there's a hole somewhere? There's a break? Oh, I see it. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. Yeah. Oh. Great. Awesome sauce. Okay, now we got the hand. Very good looking hand, by the way. Now we're just gonna make a quick little napkin. Quick little napkin. And to do that, we're give you the hand reference. No. This is peak. What do you mean? This is actually peak. Why are you hating on my hand, bro? This is how my hand. This is hand reference. That's how my hand actually looks in real life. Look at this. Look at this. That's my real hand. Same thing. It's like picture perfect. iPhone cameras can never do. They can never match the sheer quality. You know what I'm saying? Um, yeah. What we're gonna do? We're gonna hit a little something like this. Little rag activities. Again, I'm not the artist for this game, so I'm not actually like spending time on this because the actual artist is gonna blow it out of the water, dude. I'm telling you, she's peak artiste. You know what I'm saying, dude? Yeah, then we got a little rag going on, dude. We got a little rag going on, dude. Look at that. Look at that, dude. No one believed in me. This is a tree bark, bro. That's a hand, bro. You're a hater. You're a hater. They just can't see the vision. They can't see the vision at all, bro. Okay, so we're gonna say oh, Han. Now, how are we gonna program this hand? That's the real question. Um, I'm thinking what we can have it do is kind of like fade in and out, right? So what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna say image alpha equals 0, fade equals 0.01, not 5. Fade in a little slowly, right? Active equals false, right? And we're actually going to scale this up because we're going to be doing a lot in here. Also, I can close. I don't need to close that one. I can close this one, and I can close workspace. But I'm going to open a new one. It doesn't matter. Whenever it loads, 15 years later, bro. Come on. Not responding. No. It's gonna crash. Oh. Okay, no, it didn't. Psych. I lied. Lamau. I'm gonna open up the O game. I'm gonna hop in here. If aware more than or equal to 100, then what? Then what? Then O hand dot active equals true. And honestly, I'm doing this very bad because you kind of want to avoid just being like, oh, reach into this object real quick, grab this variable, like the O hand dot whatever. You kind of want to avoid that in bigger games. This isn't a bigger game, it's a Game Jam game. I don't have a limited time, I don't care. You know what I'm saying? It just causes problems, I'll pay for it. You know what I'm saying? So if it's more than or equal to that, else, then O hand dot active equals false, right? So I have that set up. Now let's hop into the hand. We want to hop into the step event. Okay, so if active equals true, okay, it'll start hunting down the player, right? It'll start going for the player. It's like, yo, player, get over here. Start hunting the player. Well, first, actually, we want it to fade in, because right now it's nothing. Fade in. Image alpha 0. Okay. If image alpha less than or equal to, no, if it's less than 1, then image alpha plus equals not 0.1. Yes. So we're fading in. And then else, that means we are faded in fully. Because we are more than 1. So if that, then we want to start hunting the player. Honestly, we don't even want to wait then. So actually we're gonna they can hurt the player. Instead we're gonna hop down here, right? Because we're gonna be wanting to hunt it down anyway. So we're gonna say move towards point, and that point is gonna be O mass.x, O mass.y, and move speed, which we need to set that variable actually. So we're gonna hop in here, call it move speed, right? Oh, I did actually set it. Yeah, that makes sense. Equals 2. We're probably going to make it a bit more than that later on, but whatever. Who cares? Else, if active is not true. Also, I'm just going to say leave x equals 0, leave y equals... What did I type, bro? Equals 0. What? Right? So if active is not equal true, then if image alpha equals 1, that means, well, let's say more than or equal to 1. So you mean to tell me that this part of algebra was for coding games ever less than equal? Yeah, pretty much. That's the only time I use it, isn't it? That's the only time anyone uses it, I feel like. It's good though. It makes it way more efficient. And I wish I paid more attention to algebra because I didn't, and then I had to relearn it again. So pay attention to school, kids. Yes, sir. If image alpha is more than or equal to 1. So right, we haven't done anything yet. We want to set leave x equals random range O, not O, 0, room width. So it'll go anywhere within the room, right? We want to do the exact same to leave y, except changed it to room height. Oopsie, wrong thing. So it'll it'll buzz off. You know what I'm saying? And we want to start turning image alpha minus equals fade, which we want to continue doing outside of the two. If image alpha is more than 0, then we want to say that. And the player won't be able to hurt anyone. Oh, we do want to grab this and put this in here and tell it to move towards the leave points, right? Leave X, leave Y, all that good stuff, right? So we can hurt the player. Else, if place meeting X, O, X, Y, O, mass, then O mass dot G size minus equals G size divided by 2. So it'll cut you in half. It's, you want to avoid that at all costs. You know what I'm saying? I won't do it that much. I'll do divided by 4. Maybe if we have time, I'll add difficulty settings. You can change that, but whatever. Also want to have wipe delay. Wipe delay max equals 20. Wipe delay equals wipe delay max. So what we're going to do, if we are active, actually I want to set this in the game event. Once we are, no, that's dumb. Yeah, I want to set this here. I'm going to say it here. If image alpha less than or equal to 0, then we want to start it off with wipe. No, we don't. No, we don't. Never mind. It's like I lied. Okay. Anyway, so hurt the player. Once we heard it, we want to say wipe delay equals wipe delay max. And we also want to check if place meeting and wipe delay less than or equal to 0. Now, we're going to actually decrease it. We're going to decrease it right here. We're going to say wipe delay minus minus. Right? Now we need to actually put the wipe in the room. So we're going to make a layer hand. Right? And we'll see how this works. Let's go for it. Let's honestly just go for it. Oh my gosh, my schnooter. We might be cooking, or I might have left the stove on. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's the first one. Okay. We can kind of run around a little bit. Uh-oh. He's kind of slow, isn't he? Uh-oh. What? G-size. Unknown object. Why are they not knowing what mass is? Okay, so we have some issues. We have a few issues, right? Firstly, I want to make the hand a lot faster. Also, the hand is kind of small, but I'll give that note to the artist. Actually, I'll just upscale it for testing purposes. We'll make it pretty big. We want it to be a big boy hand. However, if you put G fuel plus rocket plus jetpack equals fame times smoke less the bouncing backflip, you get an aneurysm. Is what you get. You get an aneurysm for sure. 24. We're gonna make that boy beefy, beef boy. Also gonna make you a lot faster. Move speed 20. Great. Not 20, 10. Fade, good. What else? What else? What else? What else? We need to change. Yeah, something in here is not working, right? It's not recognizing O mass. Why isn't it recognizing O mass? Well, don't quite know, do I? Don't quite know, do I? Yeah. Um, Can our player, if place meeting O mass with and wipe delay, we're not inside of anything, I don't believe active equals true and O hand. This is why you don't. I was talking earlier how why you don't do this. You're not supposed to just keep doing it because it messes stuff up. It's messing stuff up right now. Okay, what I'm gonna do, G size, right? That's the right variable. I'm not crazy. What's the issue? A variable unknown object dot G size not set before reading it. It's recognizing it as an object though. G size. Oh, oh! I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Okay, I almost ruined stuff. See, that's why you're dumb, bro. That's why I'm dumb. I mean, I forgot to add the O mat, so it was looking for G size inside of O hand. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. We're good. We're good, guys. Yo, W team. W team. Yippee ki yay. Gamers. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Okay. We're just a big little guy. A big guy. Oh no, the hand! No! No! Oh, we're getting smaller, dude. Oh, he's wiping us away, dude. Well, now I'm hiding. Yay, he buzzes off. And I can grow a little bit, and I can grow a little bit, and I can grow a little bit, grow a little bit. Come find me now, boys. Oh, he's getting me. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's wiping me down. I want to add an animation to that. You know, a little wiping animation. Nothing crazy. Of course, again, this is not like the official art. I'm just making like placeholder art. Call it program art back in my day. S hand wipe. Something I do want to do. Just because it's such a big size, I'm gonna downsize it back to 256. Okay, that's funny. See, it's fun, dude. I told you, let me cook. They always hating on me, boys. They never want to let me cook. Resize canvas. I want to make the width 512, just so we can like actually wipe. I'm gonna merge all the layers. Again, this is programmer art. I'm not worried about it. Uh, make a little witty witty. You know what I'm saying? Little witty witty activities. Start by moving it a little bit over here. Turn on onion skinning. God, I'm a professional animator, by the way. In case you didn't know. Then we're just gonna, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna add some blur onto this. Just to really sell it. You gotta really, really sell it. Oh, hold on, let me get some water. Ah, my gosh. Yummy. Drink your H2O, kiddos. Am I right, guys? Okay, we got a little wipe activities. Gonna add like one more in between there. So is it just for the program? Does this? Hold on, let me move because there's something in the way. So if this is just for the program, then how does this look in Blender for 3D? Don't know, don't care. I hate 3D design. I'm not gonna lie. I need to learn it. I know, but I every time I open Maya or Blender, I want to explode my face. I'm not gonna. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I don't know. I'm just not a fan, dude. I'm not a fan, dude. If that, then we want the image. No, we want to set sprite index to what? We want to set the S hand wipe, and then we don't care if it's inactive or not. If sprite index equals S hand wipe and animation end, which that's the script I'm gonna steal from one of my other projects in a second. It's okay, it's in the rules, don't worry about it. If that is true, then we want to set the sprite index equals S hand. And we want to set image speed equals 1, just to make sure. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yes sir. Okay. I'm going to hop into my scripts. I'm going to create script. I'm going to hop to the script. I'm going to call it SCR, helpful scripts. I add these scripts into pretty much every project. I'm not going to lie. I don't know if the screen will share the second window. I don't think it will. It shouldn't. Don't worry, bro. I have have a whole donut. I'm still trying. As freaking dude. Nah, dude. The thing is, I took 2 classes for it, so I should be good. I think I have another class to take for it this quarter. When I start, I just don't like it, dude. I just don't like it. It doesn't spark joy. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I do need to go ahead and learn, get used to it, because I do want to make 3D games at one point, but like, why would I when I could just do something that's fun and makes me happy? You know what I'm saying? I know the people that like make pretty good 3D models though, and I'm like, wow, dude, y'all can cook. I'm not part of that group, bro. I cook with Pixar though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit of a cooker. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. I cook a little bit with Pixar. Whenever my other game wants to open, dude, so I can steal the script, bro. They're not letting me steal stuff, bro. It's crazy. The economy, the programming economy, dude, is crazy. Oh my gosh, why is Game Maker being so goofy today? Kind of unstable. I'm not gonna lie. I'm thinking about that. Let me save this project again, because if we lose all the progress we made today, I'm gonna be a little annoyed. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be a little upsetty spaghetti. Oh my gosh. Whenever it's ready. Whenever it's ready. I think the main thing, like 3D modeling itself, I enjoy the modeling part. I don't like the texturing part. The texturing part makes me upsetty spaghetti. I think that's the main part I don't like. All that texturing, all that, oh, you have to choose the right material, blah, 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 blah. Brother, just slap some stuff on there, dude. If I ever made a 3D game, it would definitely be low poly, and the texture would look like garbage, because I hate doing that stuff. Or what's probably more likely, if I ever make a 3D game, I'll have someone on the team. I'll hire someone to make 3D models and 3D animation, all that stuff. Cause I just don't want to be bothered. What's taking it so long to load? Please. I just want my helpful scripts, dude. I'm waiting for it to load. I know y'all can't even see the other window, but y'all gonna see it in a bit. So let me see. Uh, helpful scripts. I haven't even gotten the textures. Bro, textures makes me wanna. That's the part that I hate. Everything else is fine, dude. Everything else I'm chilling with. It's just that makes me so upsetty spaghetti. Okay, here we go. Now we got the scripts in here. Okay, we have a whole bunch of scripts. I like to add these scripts to everything. Um, I don't think anyone in the chat programs, but just in case someone's looking back at this chat and they're like, okay, that's kind of cool. I wanna do that. I wanna do that too. I need to. I'll put it in the chat. Let me give me uno momento. It won't let me. It's too long. Never mind. Well, you know what? If you join the server, I can send it to you. Plug. Am I right, guys? Yes. You have to join the server to get it. Stop being lazy, you bum. Anyway, I can close that second project now. We don't need it anymore. And now we have the only thing that we really needed. The animation and script. It's so good. It's so nice, guys. Anyway, so now the hand should wipe. It should wipe. Wipe. Wipe it down. Wipe. 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 Wipe it down. Wipe. Oh, I think I goofed up, though. No, we should be good. Yeah, we should be good. I am going to grow just a little bit. Oh no, the hand's coming, dude. The hand is coming, dude. Oh, we got smaller. And why is it moving like that, dude? Oh my gosh. I'm a professional animator, my butt, bro. Let's turn up that animation speed to 24. That looks better. I should add a blur, but again, I'm not the artist, dude. I'm not making an art here, dude. Let's scale that back up, though. Yeah. This should be 1024. And then what else do I need to do? I need to do something else. There's another issue with it, wasn't it? Oh yeah, hitbox. So I'm gonna hop in the hand. And I'm gonna manually make it smaller. See, the thing a lot of developers don't really understand with hitboxes. It's always better to okay, this is at least what I go by. You know, there's other use cases for other things specifically. Discord in the description. Okay, but yeah, okay. Get off the stage. Oh, bro. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Oh, brother, this guy stinks. No, I'm joking. You know, actually, what I do at work, I'm the cringe pun guy. So what I'll do when we have like hard salami, I'll go to everyone. I'll be like, guys, hard salami. I barely Genoa. Get it, guys? You guys get it? Because salami, Genoa, no. Alright. That's fair. Makes sense. That's the same thing. That's the same way they responded to. Let me try this wipe again. I might just speed up the wipe, but I don't really want to. Oh, let's see how this one goes. Yes, sir. Yup. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, the hands are coming. Oh, we're dead. No, stop it. Stop. I think that's pretty good. No? Am I cooking, guys? Come on. You can be honest if I'm cooking. I'm going right under your palm, dude. I don't even care anymore. I think we need to make it take off more. I'm not gonna lie. We need to make it like a real threat, dude. What do you say equals that divided by 2? Yeah. Yeah, he's gonna nuke you. Don't let this hand touch you, bro. Oh yeah, we're so big. We're so big and bad, guys. Yes, sir. We're so big and bad. What are they gonna do? No! That's all it takes, dude. You can lose everything. I think it's pretty good. I like that a lot. I like that so much. I didn't mean to open the files. Whatever. Get out of my way. I like that so much, in fact, that I think that's another thing off the list. The hand's done, dude. The hand's done. Hand threat is done. Now plan out the level. We have to do a little level design, guys. Remember, we're in a bathroom, dude. So we have to plan out. At least we don't have to make the level today. I'm gonna plan it out, dude. So I'm gonna hop into here. Gonna make S level layout. And we're gonna make it kind of big. We're gonna say 128. Obviously, the actual level will be far bigger than this, but we're just gonna hop in. We're gonna kind of make some mock-ups for a level, dude. You know what I'm saying? So obviously we want to have a bathtub, right? Gonna have a sink, or a little toilet, right? What else is in a bathroom, bro? What would be hot in a bathroom, though? That's the biggest thing, dude. And then you have like pipes and stuff to hide in, right? I don't know, dude. Um, yeah, I don't know. Oh my gosh. I'm a little hungry, I'm not gonna lie. I got spaghetti in there, don't I? I might eat some spaghetti in a bit. Okay, first, let's do this layout first, dude. Let's get an idea of the layout, dude. Come on. Okay, so we have bathtub shower type thing, right? We have that. We have a bathtub shower, and then we also have the John. We call it John Tron. No, John Tron the bad guy, isn't he? He did something crazy. Never mind. We don't have a John Tron. We do not. I repeat, we do not have a John Tron. I guess it can also go in the back of the toilet too. Yeah. Okay. And then we also have a sink. Right? That's chill. Okay. Now, what else could you have? What else could you have with water in it in the bathroom, bro? I guess you could have. Um. Oh my gosh, I'm yawning, dude. Do you have a cup? A cup. Do you have a little cup? Probably like a few cups on the contour. I'm just gonna make a thing like this to show the contour. Right? This isn't gonna be the final room, by the way. We're just spitballing. We're spitballing. If you have any ideas of what could go in the bathroom, let me know, and I'll mock you for them. No, I'm joking. Okay, this is a cup full of water. Few cups of water. Why are we not erasing? What? 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 Erase. What are you doing, dude? What? What is this, dude? What? Dude, I'm not crazy, bro. Y'all saw that. Okay. We're back, though. We're back, though. So, yeah, I'm going to hop in, make a little cup. Little cup action. Pause. We all know the video. I need to stop saying stuff. Okay, we got some cups over there, right? I don't know what else you would really have with water in a bathroom. Yeah. Yeah. I guess probably like wet spots on the floor, isn't it? I'm gonna hop in here. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gonna make me. I'm never saying anymore. Okay, so you got water there, right? You got water in here, right? We all got water. Listen, we all got water in our toilets, right? Come on, come on. We all got water in our toilet. Yeah, and then what else we got? We got pipes. I guess I can extend this back a little bit, and we can move to the pipes. Oh, bathroom blueprint? Yeah, pretty much, pretty much. Look at that giant hand, dude. Oh my god, that hand is massive. Chonk hand, bro. Chonk hand activities. Anyway, that code. Where am I going? Where am I going? Yeah, I need here. We're gonna to resize the canvas. Gonna put this on this side. Increase the width. Let's say 258. Why not? I goofed so bad. What did I do wrong? Wait, what? I said to resize the canvas. 258. Yeah. Why did it do that? Did y'all see that? I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I promise I'm not. Okay, let's see. So you got pipes, right? And of course, these pipes are not going to be realistic. Who cares? No one asked. So I think if you get big enough to leave the sink, you get a jump ability, right? You can jump up the faucet. Does that sound cool? Okay, let me put notes down actually. Okay, possible abilities. Jump allows you to jump over walls for short distances. Allows you to leave the sink via faucet. Right? What's another ability? I think it's some kind of like crashing through ability. Right? Something to like burst through. You know what I'm saying? We'll say consume. Let's say consume, right? Allows you to consume dirt and grime to make yourself bigger while getting rid of the gunk itself. Right? Don't forget the toilet paper on top of the toilet and bathroom rugs. Bathroom rugs hold a lot of water, right? Yeah, we can really do there. We can definitely do that, dude. Yeah, dude. We're cooking, dude. We're cooking. Okay, let me make a rug. It's gonna be the best rug you've ever seen. We got a rug. Check it out, guys. Check it out, guys. Look at that rug. Look at that rug, dude. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. What we're gonna make the rug say? Anyway, so yeah, that rug's gone. What we got? What else is that? Toilet paper? My apologies. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Yeah, put some toilet paper up there. Why not? A little longer, isn't it? Oh, that's still long, isn't it? Am I crazy? Yeah, I made it too long. How am I using a circle tool and I still can't make the circle right? That's crazy, bro. The failure of an artist. There you go. That's toilet paper, guys. Trust me. Take my word. What skibbity, dude? What skibbity do you see, guys? I don't know what you're talking about. No, we should have put skibbity on the toilet. Missed opportunity, dude. Honestly, I'm a failure. I'm sorry. I've failed you all. Okay, let's see. You'll be able to hop in here, which this will be a hiding spot, I'm thinking. The inside of this thing, right? You'll be able to jump over here into the frudashi. I'd say you'll also be able to come over here, but you won't be able to go through it because there's going to be gunk over here, right? We're just going to make it think like this. That's a shower head. Imagine, use your imagination, guys. Come on, please. I'm the best artist you've ever seen. If you think otherwise, then you just don't understand true art. Okay, so that's our connection. You know what I'm saying? So from here you get jumping. From here you get consume. Then the last one is just like you get to attack the hand that feeds you. Well, it doesn't feed you because you're trying to eat it. You don't know what I mean. Don't know what I mean. Okay, let's see. I'll just add in the spots with water using merge layer down, duplicate layer. Boop, 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 boop. Why is there one roll? Add two more. What do you need to, bro? Maybe get off the toilet at that point, dude, and go get some actual toilet paper. Okay, fine, I'll do it. Y'all lazy bones, guys. Why do you have this much toilet paper in the bathroom? You know what I'm saying? It's not normal. It's not normal. Stop being lazy. You know what I'm saying? Have store it somewhere else, dude. Store it somewhere else. I don't know what to tell you. I think I want to have a bigger rug too. I think I'm gonna make it there be a bigger rug. Yeah, I'm thinking. Just like a giant rug, a giant wet rug. So we're able to hop over here. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I got it. Another rug here in front of the toilet because you know you want your toilet to be warm in the toilet. This is gonna be where you're gonna confront the human, right? I'm gonna make this a bit more of a muted to show that kind of, you know what I'm saying? I we cooked. The floor needs tile. Ma'am, I'm not making the final art here. Chillax. Please, I'm just a poor boy living in a fantasy. I'm not gonna sing again. I'm sorry. Let's see. Let's resize the canvas. Move it over here. Call it 270. Yeah, that's fine. That's chilling. I don't know how upscale this needs to be. I need to find out. We're gonna make that the background. Make that the background. That will make that the background. We'll make that the background. Okay, we obviously need to stretch it. Okay. Um. Okay, we're definitely gonna have to. Add a zero to both of those. I feel like probably the best bet. 700 1280. Well, on the hand, like unrealistically too big, isn't it? I mean, look how small of a speck we are, though. I wonder how long it'll take for us to. pulled up to that. Let me see. Let me hop in the code. Gonna hop in here. It's the wrong object. Gonna hop out of there. Gonna close this, a little bit of this, a little bit of this. Gonna hop into the mask object. We're gonna see what happens if we start at 1. G size of 1, dude. We're gonna be so tiny. But it's gonna be good to actually be able to tell where we are. Let me see. Bro, I can't see us. I see us barely. We're so big. There's a little germ in a pool of water. Oh, we don't have a back. We don't have a proper background. Oh my gosh, that's why we're looking weird. Okay, we need a because there's empty space in the background. It saves like it's weird. It's goofy. I'm gonna make it a really bright color just so we can see it. Okay. I think I want to decrease the swiftness of our growth, right? So I'm gonna hop into the step event, right? Just a little germ in a little pool of water. I don't mean much, man, but that they have that those kind of bugs. Anyway, not point 0.5. I don't know if we can even split that up to decimal point, but we're gonna try. We're also gonna decrease the cost. Nah, actually, I'm chilling with that. Yeah, I'm chilling with that. I'm chilling with that. Also, want to see if we can do a thing where, like, ooh, I want to see if we can scale the difficulty with how big you are. I'm not gonna scale too much. I don't want it to be like too crazy, but just like a little bit. So like the bigger you are, it becomes aware you a little faster. You still disseminate the same speed, but like become aware a little faster, just a little bit. The top should be white with this with the sink, and the background is tan because of the tile. I'm gonna do that eventually when we make the final art. This is programmer art time. I'm not making it look pretty. I'm making it work. You artist people wouldn't understand because I'm not gonna sing the song. I put my heart on the line. Yada yabba dabba doo. I don't know the rest of the song. Anyway, what am I doing, dude? Let me focus. Let me hone in, dude. So if this is yada 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 game where minus equals no, that's when we're hiding. Okay. If we are aware, then we want to do what with this? Times G size. No. Plus G size divided by 50. I'm thinking. We'll see how quickly that'll go. We'll see how quickly that'll go. Please, 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 please. I'm saying to the chance, dude. There we go. You can't stop me. You can't stop the feeling when we dance. Oh my gosh, he's killing me, dude. He's actually killing me. I gotta spam the button, dude. Why are we moving so slow? I didn't do anything with the speed. He won't do it. I don't want to be a zombie anymore. It's time to break free from our descendants. Dun dun dun. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cut that right now. We'll add it back in the future. Why am I moving so slow though? Even when I'm bigger. Let me fix that. Bro, why are we so slow? He faded away. Why are we so slow? Is this something that I did? Let me see. I'm so confused. What if we just did that? God, I might be cooking a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. What is this G size divided in two? This is just G size. Guys, am I cooking? Am I cooking? I need to sneeze, bro. I feel it. I feel it inside of me, dog. Pause. Oh, my apologies. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's see. Did that fix it? I put my hand on the line. I'm not gonna sing anymore. I said I wouldn't, and I did. Anyways, I'm sorry. No, now we're moving slower. I don't get it. Times 10. Now we're just gonna say times 5. Please, I need the speed back. How do I keep breaking the speed every time I make this game? Bless you, thank you. At least someone cared. It makes this too fast. I need to nerf the speed. I need to nerf the speed a lot, dude. Okay. Mwah, 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 mwah. Ba-doom. Okay, what do I actually need to do though? This speed is gonna be the death of me. I'm not gonna lie. Everything else I feel confident with, but this speed is gonna make me pull my hair out, dude. Okay, times. What? Maybe it's going slow because the computer's overheating. It's not, dude. It's not. Leave me alone. Leave my computer out of this, please. Let me crank these values up a bit. Okay, let's see. Because the thing is, I'm not worried about the movement speed too much. The movement speed is fine. I'm more worried about the dash. The now the dash is a little stronger. Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Okay. Biscuits. Hmm. You're gonna have to downscale all this movement because they're way too fast, and you're also growing way too big. So, what I have to do, I'm sorry, is gonna hurt me a lot more than it's gonna hurt you. Ah, ah. I can hear the helicopter Xbox. No, you cannot. No, you can't. That's outside actually. You don't even know. That's not actually anything. To be frank with you, that's just my car outside. Yeah, it's my car. So don't worry about it. Put my hand on the line. Now we can't dash again. What is this? What is this? Are we growing at all? It doesn't even look like we're growing at all now. Okay, want to make sure we're at least bigger than 2 so we can still do it, right? Not 0.1, right? Why are we so again? I keep speeding it up. Okay, I cut it in half. I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. Oh my gosh. Yeah, because we're going to be more zoomed in it. Okay, let's make a very temporary camera follow type thing, right? Up in here, enable viewport, invisible. We're gonna make it like what, 300 by 300, and we want it to follow. We're gonna make this what, I don't know, 1500. Yeah, follow that. What object are we following? We are following mass, guys. Horizontal speed 100, not 100, 10. Horizontal border is it 200? Same with vertical. Okay. Now we'll be able to zoom in a little bit, have a better idea of how it's actually gonna feel to play the game. Look at me, guys. I'm just a little guy. I'm just a little guy trying to survive. And you're not actually gonna grow this much that quickly. Oh, we made it in. Thank goodness. Okay, we're still kind of big already. I'm gonna let him wipe me down real quick. Why are we going faster all of a sudden? Oh, I know exactly why we're going faster all of a sudden. Move your hand out of the way. Jeez, some people, dude. This dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude, bro. Look at this dude. Okay. So I know exactly what the issue is, and I forgot it already. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. What's the issue? What's the issue? What's the problem? What are we cooking? That's the issue, isn't it? We're not cooking. I need to make it so that the um well, first off, I wanted to gain aggro a little slower. We can pump the brakes with that. We can chillax a little bit. No. So when the germ moves, we're starting in the same corner the hand wiping it? No. Okay, this is just like testing purposes. We're gonna start in the actual sink. I'm just kind of testing stuff right now. You know what I'm saying? So it's not very clean, not very pristine, as the kids say. Ah, 9.5. Let's see how slow that is, because we don't want it to catch on too quickly. Also, I need to do something else. I need to whether that. I need to blah 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 blah. Hop into O game, and we're gonna change this draw event into draw GUI, and just so we can actually still see it. And we don't need that anymore. So get that out of my face. And what this is gonna do is gonna always keep it in the top part of the screen, no matter where we are on the screen. Stretch, dude. Y'all wouldn't understand. Okay, so now I have a better representation. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of chilling with it right now. I don't like this tech. I know exactly why it's happening, so I'm gonna need to fix it. You'll be able to hang out in here, then you can go through the pipe, dude. You're gonna donk, 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 you know what I'm saying? Chilling in the pipe, chilling in the pipe. Yes, sir. Come out here. Okay, I'm digging with the scale. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see how quickly we build. I don't know. It might be a little too fast still. I feel like it's still a little too fast for me. I don't know. Let's turn that to not point, not five. Oh, I don't need another point. Now what? What else do I need? I need to go and fix this issue. We just won't do anything. Yeah, that should fix it. I'm hoping. I'm hoping. Why is it still moving? So that's causing a different issue, isn't it? Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it to else HSV equals 0 and VSV equals 0. It's not a very good way to do it, but take what you can get. I'm gonna turn this down to 5. And we're gonna see how that works. Yeah, that looks good. And then let's see how quickly you grow too. We can't sprint right now because we're not big enough. Okay, I'm chilling with that. Again, I can always tweak the numbers later on if need be. Or I can just go bomb, hit a bomb, hit a bomb, hit a bomb, 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 bomb. I'm unstoppable. I want to see the head come from right now. Try me. Anyway, let's hop into this aware. I want to say 0.5 plus G size divided by 100. I don't know what our max size is going to be. I haven't decided yet. But I know I want it to be big. Oh yeah, it's building up. It's building up. Go to safety. Go to safety. Go to safety. Get out of there! Get out of there! He's killing you! He's killing you! I can't see Jack with that giant hand in my way, bro. But if we are more zoomed in than we would be at this height, but you know. The hotspot's supposed to be hovering over the water, right? Listen, we're just testing stuff. It doesn't look right. Nothing is always gonna look in the end. We're just trying to make sure everything functions well. Because then once we start putting it together, if something doesn't function, we'll have to change it. There's gonna be a lot of extra work. So I'm just kind of throwing stuff in there. We call it a sandbox right now. Just kind of throwing stuff in there, see what happens. Um, hmm. I know I need to make another change to something. What is it? I'm not gonna do the camera system right now. It's something else, bro. It's something else I need to do. I just had it, bro. I promise you, I just did. Oh my gosh, my noggin no work, bro. Um, game the article's true. That's good. That's all good. I needed to do something, bro. I can't think of it. My noggin no work. My noggin no work, bro. I can't think. Um, Ripperonis, dude. I can't think of what I need, bro. I just had I like what uh. Oh yeah, that's what I want to do. I wanted to see how it would be if we were at 100. Just to see how big that is. Let's see. That's not even that big. I'm not gonna lie. Oh no, he's on that joke. Okay. So what if we make that into 300, right? I want something that's gonna take up like majority of the bathtub. Yeah, that's the one. Bro, this doggone hand get in my face, bro. Gotcha. Okay, okay. Did you read all your scripts properly? You know what? I didn't, but you know what else? I'm not gonna read them properly because who cares? So, am I right, guys? Am I right, guys? Honestly, I'm pretty happy where we are right now, and I'm also pretty hungry. So I think what I'm gonna do, we checked everything off the list today. I believe so, right? Because the camera I'm doing off stream. Because there's just gonna be a lot of me doing documentation. We planned out the level. We got the idea for the level done. We're good. So I think next stream we'll do. Hopefully I can do it tomorrow. We'll do some abilities. Try to get those abilities going. And maybe we'll have art by then. Maybe not. We should be getting art on Sunday. So we start implementing stuff. But yeah, I think we did pretty good. We honestly we locked in today. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I feel like we just stop the stream here and then yeah. For anyone watching this playback, if I don't know, the game jam might be over by the time you're watching this, but if it's not, or even if it is, join the Discord. There will be a link in the description or somewhere. I don't know. Leave a comment if there's not, dude. I'll hit you up. Don't worry about it. I got you. We do a lot of fun stuff in the Discord. We're currently doing an August art challenge. It's going very well. We'd love to have you participate. Again, if it's still going. If it's not going, we're gonna have other stuff to do. It's gonna be great. Yeah, thank you everyone in chat for hanging out, sticking around, especially Miracle Goddess. You've been yapping, not yapping in a bad way, yapping in a good way. It's been great. It's been Gucci. Yeah, I'm gonna keep working on this game. Well, actually, I'm gonna get something to eat first. 'Cause I'm hungry. Then I'm gonna keep working on the game, get the camera system working. Probably put something in the Discord about it a little later today. But yeah, we're locking in, dude. We're locking in. So with that all out of the way, I will see you guys